Yeah, g'day YouTube, Breezy here. So I put the other king spring in on the driver's side, which I've already done, and then there's one ready for this side. And I've been struggling all afternoon trying to undo that bottom bolt, the 18mm. Anyway, so I rang Steve from H&M Mechanical in Drayton, in Toowoomba. I didn't ring him, I actually messaged him anyway. Anyway, I asked him, I said, well, what's the best way to get these coils out? He said, you got spring compressors? I went, yeah. Put a spring compressor on there and they should just fall out. I didn't even think about that. Silly me. Anyway, so that's what I'm doing. I've just started. So I've wound it out so they're not don't have to go so far. And I'm making sure I go the right way, of course. Tighten it up as much as possible. And then, this is where you need a ratchet spanner, but I don't have a ratchet spanner and I don't have a 1/2 inch ratchet here because it's in storage with the rest of my tools. So I got to deal with the Bushman way, the good old shifter. I call them an AFS spanner, any fucking size. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing at the moment. And then I supposedly got to put the bump stops in, which I've got as well. But it doesn't seem like an easier job. I'll be back soon. Yeah, g'day YouTube, Breezy here again. I was going to do a video of me finishing what I started. Steve did say to use the spring compressors. We did that, and I got Kel here to come out with a pry bar and push down on the lower control arm, lift that one out, and while we were doing that one, we put the other one in. So all the king springs are now fitted. All the shocks are all fitted. The car sits up a little bit higher, and the wheels on the car are factory as well. And well, I just can't afford a set of wheels at the moment, so these ones have got gutter rash all over them and scratches and that. So I touched them up with a bit of black paint. So yeah, and the center caps, they're not hot pink anymore. They are a blue to match the rest of the blue that's on the vehicle. I've gouged myself up because I'm on blood thinners. So it's all down one arm. The tattoo over that side's copped it as well. So I'm in the wars a bit at the moment. But other than that, I'm gonna go and have a shower, clean up, have something to eat. Got to go outside and get my coffee cup. My coffee cup's outside. It's getting cold here. The night air's coming in, and yeah. But yeah, I'll send a photo of what the car looks like now after this video. Take it easy, stay safe, and there's supposed to be some more action coming your way very soon. Not to do with my vehicle, but to do with a lot more. Take it easy. Bye.